Hey there, Cedarbrook Wildcats. I'm Jim Taylor, the interim principal here at Cedarbrook Middle School, and I just wanted to take a minute to welcome you back to the hybrid instructional model beginning Monday, February 1st, 2021. I want to say that I know that for some of you, you've chosen to remain on the virtual instructional model, and our staff, your teachers, we're all committed to making that a great experience for you as well. I want to extend a special welcome to our 7th grade families and any new families who are joining our school community. Of course, things will look and feel very differently in our building than they did last spring. There are new traffic patterns in the hallway, there are new cafeteria procedures, and our classrooms look very different. This series of videos is designed to help orient you to some of those changes. And while some things have changed, some things have remained the same. We still have high expectations for each one of you to do your best every day, and our teachers and staff will be here to warmly welcome you. If you have any questions or concerns during this transition time, please feel free to reach out to me directly or to any of your teachers or anybody on our staff. We're happy to help you. Welcome back.
Good morning or afternoon, depending on what time you're viewing this video. I'm Mrs. Cohen-Johnson, one of the vice principals here at Cedarbrook Middle School, and I'm going to be showing you some of the new procedures that will take place once you come back to school on February 1st. So if you are a car rider, please pay attention to this segment. All cars will enter. Parents will come through the drop-off loop, which is right here. You'll know it because you see the red bricks. They'll stop. You will get out of your car. If you are on teams 8B or 8C, you are going to exit your car and go down this sidewalk and around. You'll notice there are numbers on the doors. That's door B7. You will not enter that door, but you will go down to this door, which is door B6. This puts you right in the stairwell where you can go right upstairs to the 2nd floor where your classes are located. If you are on team 8A or any 7th grade team, 7A, B, or C, you will get out of the car and you will go up these stairs. And turn left to enter through the main entrance.
The following directions are for Team 8A only, for 8th grade students that are arriving on the bus in Team 8A. You will exit your bus, enter the main entrance, follow the signs that guide you down the hallway to Team 8A and its classrooms. The following directions are for students in the 8th grade on teams 8B and C arriving on the bus. If you are arriving on the bus and you are on teams 8B or 8C, you will exit the buses and you will enter the building using the door that is labeled A2, which you see here at the top of this door is labeled A2. Once you enter the building through A2, follow the signs down the hallway to the first stairwell on your left. Go up the stairwell to the 2nd floor and find your classroom. The following video is to show students that are 7th graders and 8A students in the 8th grade where they are expected to go as they enter the building after being dropped off in the morning. As you can see, we've just passed the main office. You will notice first sign you'll see is for 7C. You'll notice the signs giving the direction of where students should walk And you'll also see the signs for 8A, 7A, and 7B. Students are expected to follow those signs down the corridor to their respective teams and classrooms.
One of the most significant changes you'll see when you come back to Cedarbrook is a change in our cafeteria, or the dining commons as we call it here at Cedarbrook. Each of you who are coming back for hybrid instruction will have a 30-minute lunch period. You'll be able to come downstairs, come through the cafeteria line, pick up a grab-and-go meal that's already been prepared for you, and then you'll walk through, enter your student ID number on the pin pad, and then you'll walk into the dining common rooms, where you'll notice the biggest difference is that we've had to remove all of our dining room tables. We have replaced all of our tables with single desks, where each of you will be able to come in, you'll pick a seat, you'll go to that seat, and you'll have your lunch. Of course, you'll be able to remove your mask while you're eating, but as soon as you've finished having lunch, you'll need to put your mask back on. All of our desks in the cafeteria are separated at appropriate social distancing. You'll be able to talk with those close to you, but you won't be able to get up and walk around the cafeteria and socialize as has been our practice in the past. We know that you'll be adaptable, you'll be resilient, you'll be able to listen to and follow the directions of the building administrators or any lunch aides that are here to help support you and make your lunch an enjoyable part of your day.
When traveling through the hallways, please pay attention to if it is a one-way or two-way hallway. Upstairs on the second floor, you will notice that it is a two-way hallway. If you are traveling in a two-way hallway, it is important that you walk as close to the wall or lockers as possible to maintain 6 feet between you and the students traveling in the opposite direction. It is also important that you maintain 6 feet distance between the person in front of you and the person behind you. It is probably wise to prepare a checklist to make sure you are fully prepared for every school day. Before leaving home, you must complete the online health screen. Students will not be allowed to attend class if they have not completed the health screen. Make sure you have a mask. All students who are returning to school must wear a mask when riding the school bus and during their time in the school building. The water fountains will not be working, so we suggest bringing a water bottle. In order to be fully prepared for class, you must make sure your Chromebook has been fully charged. We suggest charging it overnight so that when you get to school in the morning, you are ready to go. Other materials that you will need: pens, pencils, a calculator, notebooks or a binder, and if you're reading a novel for English, make sure you have packed all of those things in your book bag the night before. Creating a checklist will help keep you organized and make sure that you not leave anything behind so that you can have a positive and productive day.